Today, we're tackling an essential topic for anyone seeking a job in tech: how to properly address a cover letter in the web and software development industry. Whether you're applying for your first role or transitioning into tech, these best practices will help your application to stand out. A well addressed cover letter is often your first chance to make a positive impression on hiring managers. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to address your cover letter for success, specifically for web and software development positions. And by the end of this video, you'll have all the tips you need to set yourself apart from the competition. Why addressing your cover letter matters? Because first impressions count. A well-addressed cover letter shows effort, attention to detail, and professionalism. Three key qualities that tech companies value. This small step can make a big difference in setting you apart from other candidates. Now, let's talk about the best practice for addressing your cover letter. Step 1. Always personalize the salutation. If possible, address the letter to a specific person. This could be the hiring manager or recruiter. Use LinkedIn or the job listing to find their name. Quick tip number 1. This simple personalization demonstrates initiative and attention to detail, which are key traits for success in tech. But how do you find the right person to address? Here are a few strategies. Number 1. Check the job listing for any contact details. Number 2. Search LinkedIn for HR, recruiting, or technical managers. And 3. If you're unsure, focus on managers in the relevant department, like head of engineering, for example. Sometimes, there may be multiple relevant people to address, and in that case, prioritize the person most closely connected to the role, like a technical lead or head of development. Quick tip number 2. If you are still unsure, Dear Hiring Manager is always a safe choice. Now, here's what to avoid. Generic salutations. Stay away from "to whom it may concern." And if you can't find a name, using Dear Hiring Manager instead is the way to go. Quick tip number 3. A generic greeting can come off as impersonal, which isn't the first impression you want to make. Taking a closer look at LinkedIn. It's a very powerful tool for finding the right person to address. Here's what you should do. First, search for HR or technical managers in the department you're applying for at the company you're applying for. And next, look for titles like recruiter, talent acquisition manager, or engineering manager. Quick tip number 4. Using LinkedIn demonstrates your initiative and helps you get direct access to decision makers. Think about it. Tech roles are different from other roles in other industries, and certain practices stand out in web and software development industry. Here are some key tips. 1. Personalization is highly valued. 2. Addressing the right person shows you are detail-oriented, which is a crucial skill to have. And 3. Be precise and professional. These professionals appreciate thoroughness and attention to detail. Quick tip number 4. Your cover letter should reflect the qualities you bring to the job: organization, precision, and professionalism. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, you won't be able to find a specific name, and that's okay. And in these cases, we're going to our fallback: Dear Hiring Manager or Dear Hiring Team, because these are still a good approach. Quick tip number 5. It's better to be professional and safe than to guess and potentially address the wrong person. So let's recap the key points. Number 1, always personalize when possible. LinkedIn is your friend. Say it with me. LinkedIn is your friend. Number 2, prioritize relevant managers if there are multiple points of contact. Number 3, use generic greetings as a very last resort. All right. If you need more tips for your tech career or advice on writing a winning resume and cover letter, subscribe to KH Dev TT for expert tutorials and career building advice. Secret tip: we also write resumes and cover letters that will get you the job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on web development, freelancing, and career tips. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.